morning. Good morning. Let's go. Man, hope everybody's doing well. After a week break, systems don't like that. They got to reboot and all kinds of crazy stuff. So we are on. We are ready to go. We're just, give me 1 second here. I'm going to pull this up real quick, show you guys exactly what I'm doing here. All right. Perfect. All right. Let's pull this up real quick here. All right, great. Feels so good to be back live. And again, guys, that's what this obviously the skill set allows you to do is it allows you to really have the life that you want. And, again, I trade because I want to trade. I trade because I don't trade because I have to trade. You know what I mean? So again, last week I did my own sessions. I did not go live last week at all. And obviously Monday was a holiday, and then the rest of the week I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to spend time with the family. I'm just going to handle what I need to on the real estate side. And yeah, it was actually really good. So let's jump into it right now. Let's look at what we're looking at. Obviously, we're on top of the 200. Okay, I did some trading last night in London as well, and she just shot up. So we're obviously looking for buys. Okay, we're looking for her to kind of come down to a certain area, and we're going to jump in. So again, obviously, this is kind of some new moves here. So let's go out to a bigger time frame to see kind of where we're at. So honestly, the move that I really like, to be honest with you, is I really like this move here. Okay, so this is a level that she just broke. She just broke this level here. She just broke this level here. Okay, but again, this is a main level that she really just broke. She did some consolidation here, boom, broke up, and she's just been running. So we're going to wait for her to pull. But as you can see, we want to also be very careful because she did pull all the way down here on this last 15-minute gap. Okay, and that was actually the that was a 9 o'clock candle where she literally pulled all the way down and then pulled all the way up. All right, so let's just be patient here. Let's see what we can get into. Okay, I'm going to look at this level right here. So if she can come down into this 33,900 area, let's see. Let's just be patient and see if she comes down. That'd kind of be our first move. But again, we also just opened up. Let's see where we're at on this candle here. So we just opened up about 2 minutes ago. We opened up a new candle. Okay, so again, we want to see, can she come down here? Yeah, that'd be a great retest. If she can retest this 33,900, that's where my first couple of entries will be. All right, so we'll just kind of prepare for that. All right. All right, while we're waiting for her to come down, let me go into YouTube, make some changes real quick. We're moving. My computer is just begging. Doesn't look like it completely updated yet, so we'll do that after this, but hopefully we can get in and get out. Welcome. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing amazing. Yo. Good morning, Maribel. Good morning, Miss Black Wall Street. Love it. Anthony Davis, James Lucero. What's good, James? Man, I hope you enjoyed your vacation. Let's go. Yeah, I didn't travel anywhere, but last week, definitely, took the week to just chill with the family, and I definitely did some trading, but was not live. So, like I said, we're looking at this 33,900, looking at a buy. So if she can come down, okay, about 25 point pullback. And again, we may not get that 25 points, guys. So I'm going to kind of just keep an eye. And this is kind of where I'm looking at right here. Let me pull this up here. This is where we may get in right here. Okay, she may come into these wicks and come to a halt. So we'll see what happens. All right. That's kind of like where we're at, though. Good morning, Kathy. Good morning. All right. Trying to drink more water. All right, let's go to YouTube. Let me make some changes here. All right, guys, so we're just being patient. We're just waiting for her to drop, to be honest with you. We're just waiting for a drop, and then we're going to get in. Here we go. Let's see if we can get in here. Hold on. I'm just going to be patient real quick. Keep an eye. I'm not going to miss this move for sure. Keeping an eye. Today is the 16th. All right, guys. Come down a little bit more. I'm going to be a little bit patient. We'll be a little bit more patient. Some of you may have taken that move, but I'm going to be patient. All right. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second here. I'm just updating the YouTube really quick. Give me 1 second, guys. She hasn't come down yet, so we're good. We're okay. So we have about 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. All right, YouTube updated. So now we focus on this chart. Oh, hold up. Let's see what happens here. Look at this, guys. Let me show you what happened. She hit this wick right here. Look at that. Can't make that shit up. Look at that. She came into these wicks and bounced. I thought she was gonna come down a little bit further, but we're gonna wait for her to retest that shit. We're gonna wait for her to retest that. We'll wait for her to retest that, and then we're gonna get back in. Let's see where we're at here. Let me get rid of this here. All right. All right, so we're going to wait for this retest. We're going to wait for this retest. And again, guys, like, look at what she smacked off of. This wick hit these wicks over here. Okay, so again, a little bit lower than that, and we're golden. We're good. So again, we got a minute 25 left on this candle. I'm going to definitely be patient in the sense of also not trading inside of a candle, because we know that literally seconds of a candle can go a different direction. And we want to obviously limit a pullback. We want to limit going in an opposite direction in any way, shape, or form. So again, let's just be patient. Patience is the name of the game. Coming back from last week, that's one of the things, is just really just being patient. Just being patient. Just enjoying the process. Just being a student of the process. Just really getting into, just feeling the chart and understanding, like, okay, you know what, like, this is where I want to make a move. I don't have to make a move any sooner. This is where I want to make a move. And, I'm going to be patient and wait. And, there's no hurry. There's absolutely no hurry. You know what I mean? So we got 21 seconds left. She's going to break this new zone here. Let me look at something real quick. Okay, yeah, she's breaking a zone. So I'm going to take this momentum. I got in late. I didn't get in at all, though. I said I was going to take that momentum at the open of that candle, but I did not. I kind of was fumbling around, so I did not take it. But would have been a nice little bag. It's okay. Oh man, the entry of that candle would have been nice. Good stuff. Anybody take that? Anybody take that momentum on that entry of that candle? Damn, look at that. Almost 50 points. That shit is crazy. Oh, wow. So now, because we just broke resistance. Okay. Because we just broke resistance. This is going to be moved up here. Because we just literally broke that. So if we can come back down here, I will definitely get in. We just broke this support. We just literally broke the ceiling. We broke the ceiling. Let's wait for a retest on that ceiling. It's nice to see the market moving. It's nice to see the market moving up. That's positive things for our economy. It's positive things for our economy. Let's look at this here. Let's look at this. Let's go to this hour. Okay, look at this. We're breaking. So yeah. This wick here. Anything in this wick, even where she's at right now, I just want her to come down a little bit further. Like I don't want to take the middle of that wick there. So let's see. When we go out to this hour, you can see literally, you can see the level she just broke. Look, she just broke this level. She then just broke this level here. Okay. So again, like she is running. Wow. If you got in, good for you. If you got in, good for you. All right. We're going to make an adjustment. Adjustments. Yeah, we're coming up here. We're going to make an adjustment. You can't see it on a 5-minute. But I'm telling you, when you go out to this hour, look at this. Just broke that ceiling. Broke this ceiling. Broke this ceiling. She was retesting this. Broke the ceiling. Didn't even respect it. Let's see. Man, look at that. Let's see where's she coming to now. Man, she hasn't been this high for a minute. September 25th. She's coming up to another level. She's coming up to another level. All right, let's see. Let's do this here. This 25 points right here, I like it. I like her pulling down into this 25 points. So let's see what happens. And again, the deeper, yeah, man, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah. Taking that momentum on the entry of that candle, especially, and again, like I said, I didn't do it because I was fumbling around, but that would have been an amazing entry. That would have been amazing because she literally jumped up. We got 4 seconds left. Obviously, we're not going to take momentum because obviously we got this wick to the bottom side. So we're going to wait for this retest. All right, we're going to wait for this retest of the zone. All right, this could be it right here, guys. And this was the second candle of that 15 because that last move, that last move was that entry of that 15. You know what I mean? All right, so let's see if she comes down. Let's see if she comes down and gets in. So we're at 17 right now. We're about 9 points off of this broker here, off of Awanda. We're about 9 points off. So I'm going to take my trade, market execution. Take my trade, market execution. So again, I'm gonna wait for a pullback, guys. Like honestly, I'm gonna be patient because what goes up must come down. So she has to breathe. She has to come down. They will sell off here just briefly, and then rally back up, and then we just blow through zones. So hopefully take a couple entries, hold on to one, and just kind of move my stop losses as she climbs. So we'll see what happens here. How'd everybody do last week? How's everybody's journey going? Like let's talk. How's everybody doing? Where's everybody at right now? Are we flipping accounts? Are kind of what is the direction? What are our goals? What is the ultimate outcome? You know what I mean? Like are you kind of just learning right now? Are we on demos? What are we doing? What's going on? What's everybody up to these days? I would say 95% of this, guys, is mental. Keep that in mind, that there's such a huge psychology behind trading. There's a huge psychology because, again, obviously getting into a bad trade, elation, okay? Getting into a bad trade, obviously, if it doesn't go the way you want it to, can cause you to maybe start, trading, revenge trading, things like that. I would also recommend, one of the things I like about, okay, perfect, good job, awesome, good stuff. So one of the things that I like about obviously the funded trader, okay, and any type of funded account is it gives you a journal, and it allows you to be able to see what your trades were. Okay, it allows you to be able to actually, see what your trades were. It gives you a history of your trades. And so again, if you wanted to take the time and go back and see what those moves look like and why you took them, you're able to do so. Also just journaling, really how you felt. What was that? What was the psychology? Where were you at in the psychology of the trade? Your journey. So again, journaling is very, very, very important part of honestly trading. One of the things that I really, that was really kind of, as I when I was winning, okay, things are good. But when you're losing, you want to figure out, like, why did I lose? What happened? Was it just the way of the market? Was it me being greedy? Was it maybe a day I shouldn't have been trading? Like, why did why did I lose that trade? What happened? And so again, really understanding the psychology of the trade. Okay, good job. There's nothing absolutely wrong with that. Again, I recommend definitely trading on a demo for as long as you're comfortable. I mean, if you're consistent on a demo, again, it's perspective, it's mindset, switching over to a live account. If you believe and think that it's a live account, if you, worry and stress, oh my goodness, I'm going into a live account, then again, you're going to experience that. But again, honestly, like, there's no difference. It's psychology. What makes the difference between a live account and a demo is it's all psychology. It's all mindset. And that's one of the things that I really focus on, is just really mindset, is as far as just understanding, like, what, I'm gonna be patient today. And oh man, I would say, Mike's, man, that it's almost even more than that, to be honest with you. It's the mindset and the mind game and the psychology of it is so important. Because again, like here's the deal: is we have to be patient right now. We have to be disciplined to be patient, and we also have to do this consistently. You can't just jump on once a week, and trade and think that, oh, I'm gonna get it. Every day is a new market. We see it. We obviously can read candles and bodies of candles, and we can use confirmation such as EMA, EMAs, for direction. But again, I know, just taking a week off and not going live, and then coming on today, man, it's completely different mindset. I'm excited. Sometimes it just, doing something every single day kind of gets very, it just becomes just, you're kind of going through the process, and I truly enjoy this process, and I truly enjoy getting online with you guys, and and really just, I enjoy this. I truly do. I really take the time out of my day to really, trade. Yeah, I mean, I enjoy it, but once I'm done, I'm done. Once I'm done, I'm done. I don't look at charts anymore throughout the day. It's been great. It's been great. So let's see if this candle, we got 2 minutes, 28 seconds left on this candle. Yeah. The thing is really just anticipating the pullback, understanding that there's going to be a pullback. And, what helps the pullback is just being more patient. Okay. The more patient we are, the less of a pullback that we have to to deal with. So we're going to look at getting in here, guys. We're going to look at getting in here. Okay. So obviously our first entry we were looking at was coming down at this 33,900. She obviously shot up on this last 15-minute candle. Okay, she obviously didn't come down and retest. She actually just continued to break through. So we're going to wait for her to pull down. Okay, obviously we have a minute 33 left on this 15-minute candle. Okay, minute 33 left on this 15-minute candle. Okay. All right, so we obviously don't want to trade in the middle of this candle. We want to wait for this pull. We want to wait until she's done moving in this candle. All right, so we got a minute left. Let's see if we get a big drop into our zone here. All right, we got 47 seconds left. 47 seconds left. If she comes into this green area, guys, like we are a go. We are a go. We got 36 seconds left. I'm not sure if she's going to come down. Let's just be patient. On my MT4, that would be around 34,000. Okay, so about 17-point move. I need her to drop. So we got 21 seconds. We got 20 seconds. We're at 14. So again, if I can get her to come down to this 34,000 on my MT4, that's where I'll get in. She was just down there. She moved about 20 points. So again, now she's consolidating. Not really any move. So again, I'm going to be patient, guys. Like I truly am just going to be patient here. Like I truly am just going to be patient, and I need her to come down. I truly do. Like she's just moving. She's just making bold moves. Obviously the move was down here on that last move. But again, let's just wait for a retest, and we're gonna get in. Absolutely, Kathy. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, let's see if this is our drop, guys. And this was the entry of a new 15 as well. This was a new 15. So let's see if this 15, if she sells off. Let's see if they sell off this first 15. All right. I was going to move up. I was going to move up here, but honestly, it's just I like where I'm at. Right underneath this consolidation here. Come down, boom, tap us, and we're rocking and rolling. Absolutely, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yep. So we're about 21 points, 23 points away from the 34,000. 34,000. So we're about 25 points away. So I need a big drop. A big drop. Yeah, see on my MT4, we just blew through this halfway point. But right here on TradingView, we're not even there. We're about 10 points off, actually. So yeah, we're going to definitely wait for a market execution. Yeah. All right. So as you guys can see here, we're continuing to respect the zone here. Okay, we're respecting the zone. So we got a minute 54 left on this candle. Okay, the question is are we going to continue to respect this, or are we going to are we going to break through and make a new high? Okay, so again, if we respect this, then again, I'm waiting for this pullback, and then I'm gonna get in. Okay, and if we can get in, that's about a 50-point drop. It's about a 50-point drop. So again, 50 points is pretty drastic. It's a pretty big move. So again, if we can come into the bottom of this wick again, that's kind of where I'd be looking at. So let's move this up just a little bit right here. All right, we got 36 seconds left on this candle, guys. We may just be breaking this zone. Honestly, we may be breaking another zone. $18 seconds left. Look at that. See, that's what I'm saying. That's why we don't take the entry inside of a candle, inside of a because again, look how she just dropped. You know what I mean? All right, so we're gonna move up. We're gonna continue to move up here because obviously she just broke that level. So we're gonna come into this level here. Like the bottom of this last candle. Okay. All right, guys. We're just being patient. We're just being patient. Thank you, Kathy. I appreciate that. All right, so let's look at this 15. So this is obviously the second candle on this 15. The second candle on this 15. So really what we're looking for is we're looking for her to kind of come down all the way to the top of this last candle. Okay. Let's see here. And again, guys, as we go left, this is what we're looking at right here. She just broke this zone here. She just broke this zone. She's on her way to this zone here. Okay, she's on her way to this zone here. Okay, so again, like, I'm waiting for a sell-off here, honestly. So I'm just going to be patient because she's just, again, like, she's already in a move. She's already made a move. Do you know what I mean? Look at this. She broke this zone here. She then broke this zone here. She then broke. So again, she's just on a massive move right now. see if she comes down. Excuse me. See if she comes down. That's about 20 points. And thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So we're just being patient, guys. Like, honestly, like, there's been a couple moves. There's been a couple moves. Our first move was this 33,900. And we were looking for her to, it was on this last 15-minute candle. We were looking for her to bounce back and retest and then shoot up. She shot up on the momentum of that candle. And we did have a couple people that did get in and took a bag. But I was fumbling around. I was going to take a market execution at the open of that candle, but I did not. I was fumbling around, so I did not do that. But again, you could have definitely got a bag there. But we're gonna be patient. We're just waiting for her to drop. So we got 14 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what happens. All right, so we're going to see at the end of this candle what we do, okay? Let me go back out here really quick. Let me get something. Yeah, that is nice. She's kind of already broke that, so let's get up into here. Let's see what that looks like here on this 5-minute real quick. That's just too. We're at 55 right now. All right, let's just be patient here. All right, so I'm going to keep this here. I was going to move it up, but again, I just feel like she's going to drop a lot more than that. I truly believe she's going to drop a lot more than that. And so if we get to the top of this green area, I feel like that's a great drop, great pullback. That's about 30 point. That's about we're looking for about a 30-point pullback to get into this trade. So we got 2 minutes 30 seconds left on this candle. 2 minutes 30 seconds left. So again, if she slingshots, so again, in the next 2 minutes, if she drops down, I'm going to take the momentum. I will take the open of this next candle. Okay, I will take the open of this next candle. All right, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. I need a drop to get into this bad boy. man, she is just continuing to climb. We got a minute 29 left on this candle. Yeah, I'm gonna move this up now. So about 30 points. If we can get a 30-point pullback, come on, let's go US30, let's go, baby. Come on. We got a minute left on this candle, guys. Let's see if we get a drop. Oh. And again, guys, this is truly just support, resistance, and just wicks and bodies of candles. And we're just looking for a small move. That's all that we're doing. But again, she's literally just breaking levels. She's literally just breaking levels. And this is a new 15-minute as well. 15 seconds left. Honestly, like, I'm not really even sure what I'm going to do at this point. I'm not taking the entry of that candle because she's going to fall here. She's going to drop. There's going to be a drop. So let's see what happens at the beginning of this candle. Oh, wow. Look at that. Again, you know, you just don't know. You just don't know. That's one thing, is that we can't predict. We can obviously try to analyze, and we can, you know, try to you know, really determine kind of what she's going to do. But the one thing is obviously we don't want to get into the trade in the middle of a move, because then again, like, if she pulls back, we're in trouble. Do you know what I mean? So you know, at the end of the day, like, that's great that she's moving up. That's awesome. But again, we're waiting for this little move right here. We're waiting for her to pull back, breathe a little bit, and continue to ride up. Okay. So, you know, again, obviously we're just on an upcline. There's really no volatility right now. She's not, you know, again, like, your moves into consolidation. Your moves into consolidation. Your moves coming out of consolidation. Like, that's where your move is. Your move is honestly coming out of a consolidation period. She's just jumping right now. She's just climbing. And so again, we don't want to get into that climb, because again, if she does something like that to where she just pulls back, I mean, that was about a 10-point pullback, literally in seconds. So again, we want to just be patient and wait for the right move. I hope that makes sense. The move is coming out of a consolidation. Look, consolidation, boom, move, boom. So honestly, like, man, I don't have a fear of missing out. Like, that's part of that psychology. I don't, like, again, if I don't trade today, I actually traded London earlier this morning. So again, like, I already got a bag. So again, at the end of the day, like, I don't have a fear of missing out. But again, I want to be patient and wait for a move. Okay. I don't want to trade in a where she's just climbing. I want to trade out. I want to make a move inside of consolidation. So as she consolidates, that's where I want to make a move. So if we come down to the 1, look at this. Consolidation, made a move. Consolidation, made a move. Okay, so again, like, that's where you guys want to make a move. You want to make a move outside of consolidation. Consolidation, move. Consolidation, move. consolidation, move, consolidation, move, consolidation, move, consolidation, move, boom. We're consolidating, the move's here, okay? So let me show you how to move how to move this 1 minute, okay? So again, you guys can come here, right above this here. Let's change this to red. Okay, let's make this a solid. Okay, let's make this right here. Boom. On a 1 minute, once she breaks and closes above or below this area, that is your move. Once she breaks above or below and she closes, okay, so you can take a sell. If she breaks and closes below here, take a sell. If that's what you wanted to do. Okay, so again, like this is consolidation here. I like to play the retest on the 5 minute, but again, this is a great setup here, guys. This is a great setup on a 1 minute coming out of consolidation. Look at this. Break and close above, boom. You would have got about 15 points there. You just need to know when to get out on a 1 minute because she moves just very fast. It's a 1 minute. You know what I mean? So look at that. She didn't break and close below. So you don't take a move. Let's try it. Let's try. I'm gonna do this, okay? Just because again, I want to definitely show you guys what I'm talking about here. Okay, so again, 45 seconds left on this 1 minute. If she breaks and closes below this, I'm gonna take a sell. Okay, we got 37 seconds. Okay, if she breaks and closes below that red line, I'm gonna take a sell. Okay, see if she gives me 5 points. And again, you can't do it before. You have to break and close below. You have to break and close below the consolidation point. If she breaks and closes above, I'm taking a buy. Okay, we got 54 seconds left. 54 seconds, we just opened up a new candle. Okay, breaks and closes above that red line. Breaks and closes above that red line. I will take the entry. We got 33 seconds left. 33 seconds left. Let's go. Obviously, I want to take that trade because that's going with the trend. The trend is your friend. Six seconds. Okay, let's see what happens here. Oh, here we go. She breaks and closes. Okay, we got 52 seconds. Not if she breaks and close. Not if she breaks it. We want to break and close on this minute candle. Break and close on this minute candle. Okay, break and close on that minute candle. 33 seconds. 32 seconds. Consolidation. We're going to get a move outside of this consolidation. And if I can open up 2 entries, I will. And then I'm going to let them ride. See how far up we can go or how far down. And again, guys, just a little trick. Just a little trick. The move is outside of consolidation. The move is coming outside of consolidation. Okay, so understand where you're consolidating, block her off, and then make that move. Okay, so again, 30 seconds. If she breaks and closes below here, I will get in. And what is she breaking and closing below? This wick over here. Seven seconds. But what are we doing? We're consolidating, guys. Facts. We do not trade. There's no trade zone in here. No trade zone in here. We're either going to take a buy or sell. We're going to take a buy or sell. And I'm going to do this with you guys. We're going to take a buy or sell. Whatever direction she comes out of, breaks and closes, that's what we're going to take. Okay? 35 seconds left. All right. 35 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Seven seconds. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take a sell right now. Boom, I'm in. I'm in. And that's what I'm saying, guys. As she pulls back, she plays game. She plays games. But again, look how she tricked us. Look how she tricked us, guys. So I'm in a sell right now. She's coming down. I'm going to take the entry. I'm going to take another one. Tricked us. Got in prematurely on a pullback right now, guys. We got 54 seconds left. 54 seconds left. Oh no, I might get a bag right here. Let's go. I'm going to open up another one if she closes below. If she closes below here, 30 seconds. 27 seconds. I'm in profit right now. I'm in profit right now. If she closes below, I'm going to get in again. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Look what she does. There we go. Boom, I'm in. I'm in huge profit on one trade. Huge profit on one trade. And we're just waiting for a drop. Waiting for her to drop, see how far we can come down. And then we're going to obviously take our profits. Yep. Let's go. We're in profit on both trades. I'm going to set my TP at 0.50. I'm in huge profit, guys. I'm in huge profit. Taking that move outside of consolidation. I'm in huge profit. Pullback. We got a minute 30 left on this candle. Minute 30 left on this candle. So that's how you catch a move, guys, is you literally catch it out of consolidation. Okay, so I'm not going to be greedy. I'm taking it here because, again, this is obviously against the trend. So I'm taking it to this 34,050. 34,050 is what I'm taking it to. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to say how far can I drop because we just don't know. And we're going against the trend. But she came out of consolidation. She came out of consolidation and she made a move to the downside out of consolidation. Okay, she broke this consolidation point here. We were consolidating. She closed below. We got in. We're in huge profit. Now let's see how far we can go. And again, we're coming against a floor right here. We're coming against another consolidation point right here. Okay, so again, how far do I go, Gabe? You go to a consolidation. You go to the last consolidation point right here. Who got into that? Who took that trade? Did anybody else take that trade? And we're about to get a bag right now. We're about 15 points away from getting a bag. Let's go. And actually, I'm going to close out now. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to let it ride. Come down under 60 and I'll get out. You said you didn't get in? I need about a 10-point drop and then I'm done. You know what? I'm going to let it ride to my 50. I'm going to let it ride to my 50. We're at about 50, 59 right now. So I'm waiting for a 10-point drop. 10-point drop, and man, we are golden. We are done for the day. 10-point drop, and we're done for the day. 2 trades. All right, just opened up a new minute. We were. But I showed you a move on the 1 minute, how you can catch a bag. Because again, keep in mind, we're scalpers. Okay. So you can catch a bag. Okay, you can catch a bag coming out of consolidation. Okay, so look here. She consolidated. Her move was to the downside. And we took this candle here and look at, we're about 25 points in profit right now. Okay, so again, like on the 1 minute, the 1 minute for scalpers is awesome. And again, I like to trade on the 5 minute, but again, we weren't getting a move. She wasn't pulling back. And so then I saw that she was consolidating on the 1 minute. And so then I said, okay, if she breaks this zone, which was this wick here, okay, then I'm going to take the entry of that break and close. If she breaks this zone, break and close above, I'm going to take that entry. Okay, she just happened to break to the downside and give us a little bag. All right, so that's why I took that trade. I just wanted to, I just wanted you guys to see how she moves outside of consolidation and how, as a scalper, you guys can get a bag. You know what I mean? Trust me, I go with the trend, but are there times that we can go against the trend? Absolutely. There's not a right or wrong. You know what I mean? We were looking for buys, but there was just not a move. So I said, you know what? Let me try to find a setup on a 1 minute. And that's exactly what I did. And she was consolidating, broke and closed below. Boom, got in. And I've taken all of this here. And I'm in profit right now, waiting for her to hit this point here, come down into 50, and I'm done. Okay, we're still in profit. We're still in profit. Okay, great. Awesome. How did you do? Did you close them? Did you win them? All right, guys, so I'm going to close out of this trade here in a minute. We can just pull down just a little bit more. So we look like on this minute here. Good job. Seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Big drops, big drops. Let's go. Let's get down to this line here, and we're going to get out. 22 seconds left on this candle. 10 seconds left on this candle. Let's get a big drop. Need about 5-point drop. 5-point drop, and I'm done with this trade. In profit. Come on. 5-point trade. 5-point drop. 5-point drop, and we're done. .26 seconds left on this candle. Boom, let's go. Boom, we just took a bag. Come down. Give me 3 more points. 3 more points, and I'm going to take a bag. Come on, big drop, big drop, big drop. Give me 3 points. Give me 3 points. There we go. 3 more points. Come on. 3 points. Come on. Very close. 2 more points. There we go. Boom. Done. All right. 2-0. 2-0 on the session. 2-0 on the session. 2-0 on the session. 2-0 on the session, guys. You could have still stayed in. She fell. So again, here's the deal, guys. We got a different consolidation period process here. Okay. Obviously, this is where she's consolidating at. It's a big area. Okay. It's a big area. Look how small the volume is. All right. So again, we could have stayed in that trade, but we did get out. She did come to our zone. She did come to our zone. Let's get rid of this here. Let's go to this 5 minute. Let's see what this 15 minute looks like. Let's go over to this hour and see what she's hitting here. Damn. So she's hitting this right here. She's hitting this floor right here. Again, we just have to be careful. If she breaks it, she's definitely coming down. And again, I just don't see a solid zone. The next solid zone is down here. It's about 50-point move. Before I would... Let's see. Yeah. She is hitting a bank zone right now. She does have these long wicks to the top side. So let's look at this 1 minute again. So we got 33 seconds. So I think I'm going to take another sell based off of this move here. Okay, based off this 1 minute move, I think I'm going to take another sell here, right at the entry of this candle. The entry of this next candle, I'm going to get in for a sell. Okay, I'm taking a sell at the entry of this candle in 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. I'm in. Okay, so now I wait. So she's got to consolidate. She's got to, and again, when you look at what's happening here on the minute, okay, she's dropping. Okay, when you look at the 5 minutes, she's dropping as well. Okay, so that's why I just took an entry. I just took an entry, and I'm in huge profit right now. Okay, I just took an entry to the sell, based off of this 1 minute move. Okay, she came out of this consolidation again. She broke this consolidation point. Okay, she closed below, and I took a sell. All right, so is she going to break this consolidation? She is right now. She's breaking this consolidation. Okay, I'm looking for her to come down to this 34.025. 34.025. $34,025 is a great bag for me. Huge bag. About 25 points. Okay. So again, like I'm telling you guys, like the 1 minute is powerful in the sense of just being able to see where she's consolidating. Okay. On the 5 minute, there has not been any consolidation. She's literally just been climbing. Okay. The last consolidation was kind of right here. Okay. And then she was kind of doing some consolidation here, bouncing off of this, respecting this, and guess what? She just broke it. Okay, and is now falling. But look at this. She has to sell off. She has to breathe, guys. Like, so I'm going to sit in this trade. She could possibly come down into these zones here, into these wicks here, because there's just nothing in front of her. There's just nothing in front of her. She could possibly come down. But again, we're going against the trend. Okay? We're not going against the trend to sit in this thing for a long time. We're going against the trend to get a bag. And we did that on the 1 minute, because that's what the 1 minute showed us. Okay, that's what the 1 minute showed us. Is the 1 minute, again, we blocked her off in her consolidation zone. She closed below, and now she's dropping. Okay. I'm telling you, huge bag, huge bag. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And again, guys, like just finding the right setup. Finding the right setup. I knew that I had this little 1 minute trick, and that's what I played off of today because, again, we were just climbing so much on the 5 minute that, again, she just wasn't giving me anything. Look at this. She was just climbing. So I said, let me go to the 1 minute and let me see really where she's moving and how she's moving. And I saw that she was consolidating. I then waited for her break, got in, boom, took a bag, 2 bags, boom, set back up, squared her off, boom, she fell, broke and closed below, and about to take a huge bag. And that was just really just utilizing, just trying to find that right setup, guys. Absolutely amazing. I'm done. Boom, bag me. Let's go. Cool. Awesome. Hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys got something out of that. We actually just, again, like I said, on the 5 minute, we saw that she was just climbing. We were looking for a setup. Then I said, let me go down to the 1 minute. Let me see where she's consolidating on the 1 minute, and let me see if I can catch a move outside of that consolidation. I knew that she had to fall as well. Okay, I knew that she had to fall as well. Okay, and as scalpers, we can take buys and we can take sells. Okay, so obviously, being that the trend was obviously a buy on my 5 minute strategy, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for a big retest. When she comes down here, this is where I'll probably be looking at to get into a buy. Okay. Let me show you actually even more. She gets down into these wicks here. Amazing area for a buy. Okay. But again, just on the 5 minutes, she just wasn't giving me anything. All right, so I took the sell because I knew that she had to sell off. And that's what she did. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Okay, another thing. You can pull out this fib. Her last big move was right here. Okay, where could she possibly come back down to? Guys, this shit doesn't lie. Look at this. The golden zone, 0.5, 0.618. Let's see exactly where that's at on a bigger time frame. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. What do we say? Right here, right? Right in here. And again, guys, this is just understanding and knowing. You know what I mean? So again, like, I wouldn't take a buy until, like I said, these wicks, this wick here, come down into the zone. All right, what zone is that? Let's see. Let me mark this off real quick. You're welcome so much, Maribel. So here's the deal, guys. I'm obviously done for the day, but if you're looking for something, if you're looking for an opportunity, the next move is right here for a buy in this zone. So between the 33,975 and 33,950, that's where she's going to come down to. And that would be the next buy. All right. So cool, guys. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for obviously tuning in. Again, just an amazing, amazing, amazing session. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay. And again, thanks so much for the support. We got started a little bit late. We had to kind of turn our ways to a 1-minute strategy. We got the bag though. We got the bag. We sure did. But again, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the morning. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.